So we're gonna be doing this. These rugs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are wool rugs. They're 3D design. And yep, we're gonna get it tight. All right. So right now we filling up. We're using the sniper. All right. Getting that done. So yeah, guys, it's Friday. And I hope you guys having a good Friday. It's a long weekend. Be safe out there. Carpet cleaning training with Dreddy. Back again with you with another video. You already know how it is. And we getting it done, man. All right? We getting it done. We getting it done.